What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point when we had this movement to the upside and had a retracement. And I've told you that I have two possibilities. First of all, it was the most bullish case and we might have, this is our ABC correction, and from this bottom we might have only movement to the upside. Unfortunately, it doesn't work this way and we don't need it for now. We have this retracement and we hit the double bottom pattern. And it was quite technical, and I have to say that it is very bullish setup. It is not so usual to have it in the retracement, but it happens when the asset is extremely bullish. And let me show you right here. PLTR is the only stock among this list that finished the previous session in green, and it gained up to 1.89%. And all other stocks are in red, and some of them are deeply in red, like NIO. And I have to say that Palantir for now is the most bullish stock on the market, in my opinion, among these type of stocks. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. What was the reason of its recent spike? And let me show you this article. It was published on March the 9th and it says, Palantir jumps 7% as Piper Sandler says Ukraine war could accelerate adoption. And let me quote you this. Palantir Technologies surged on Wednesday as Piper Sandler started coverage on the data analytics software provider, noting the Russian invasion of Ukraine could accelerate adoption. Analyst Weston Twigg, who started coverage with an overweight rating and a $15 price target, implying some 30% upside from current levels, noted that Palantir brings software, artificial intelligence and data into a powerful solution to help organizations make decisions, to centrally track things like people, parts and information, while identifying patterns and creating frameworks to assess impact of certain decisions. We believe this type of technology will increasingly become standard among large organizations, Twigg wrote in a note to clients, while adding that the Ukrainian war could be an accelerator of adoption among US and international government customers. And definitely, I completely agree with this statement, because during the uncertainty times, the more precise information and the more precise decision you might choose, the more outcome you will have. And definitely, the software like Palantir, and in my opinion, Palantir is the only company that have this type of product on the market, will be the most beneficial company probably in upcoming years. So, and let me quote you this. In addition, Twigg also noted that Palantir expects 30% compound annual growth rate in revenue through 2025, a goal that is achievable considering it saw 41% growth in 2021, added more than 150 salespeople in 2021, and continued to see rapid commercial growth. The analyst also noted that Palantir is focusing on an aggressive global expansion, looking outside the US to grow its sales force and customers, as it saw a 417% rise year-over-year in international commercial customers last year. And definitely this information was taken from its earnings report, and I have to say that earnings report was really amazing. And definitely the upside potential for Palantir is huge right now. And let me show you one interesting detail in their institutional investors list. Right here, as you can see, green rows indicate new positions and red rows indicate closed positions. And we have this massive buy of Palantir stock for more than $269.15 million. Definitely it is a huge position, one of the biggest one, and they bought about 14.78 million shares. And let me show you what is this bank about. Right here, as you can see, they have more than 2200 positions and they have only one closed position. So they have more than enough money to operate on this market. And let me show you its portfolio. They have all of the top stocks on the market, and definitely Palantir for now is one of this list. And let me show you on top of this information right here, the total sentiment of institutional ownership, as you can see right here, is consistently growing despite the decrease in price. And definitely this shows that institutional investors are heavily buying this stock. And this means, let me show you right here, for now they have 36.15%, and this number is increasing, and it is heavily increasing, as you can see on this chart. This means the more institutional investors will put their money into Palantir, the higher the price of Palantir go and the less volatility it will have. And also I want to show you that right here on cathysarc.com, and this website tracks the activity on ARK funds. And right here, as you can see, they completely sold their stake in Palantir, and definitely it might be some controversial decision, but it is what it is. It is only one institutional owner of this company, but one of the most famous on the market. But nevertheless, it is what it is, and you have to know that there is an institutionals who sell these shares and not only buy. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, if it is the double bottom pattern, we might have the next leg to the upside. And what should we expect next? Right here, we have the bottom of the price action at the price point of roughly $9.42. And definitely, if it is the case of the first wave diagonal, and here is the retracement, next wave should be an impulsive wave, and we should hit higher targets. And what are the next targets? If it is the bottom, we can pull the Fibonacci extension tool. Let me show it to you. Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. Right here. We have to be more precise. And the most probable range of landing the top of the third wave in a medium-term perspective is 1.618. And it is the $16.06 price point. And definitely, we might hit this range in upcoming several sessions. Technically, we might hit it by the end of next week. So, and what are the bigger picture and what are our main targets? Let me switch to 4 hours time frame and let me zoom out a little bit. As you can see, as long as the lowest point of $9.44 holds, we have several swing highs that we should hit as our targets. And first of all, definitely it is $14.29, and it is slightly below the price target that I marked just a couple of seconds ago. Next one, couple of major ones right here at $28 and roughly $30 price point. And these price targets are extremely important for Palantir, because if we zoom out even more, let me show you right here. It is the top of our B wave from the retracement. If it is the case, we have, this is our A wave, this is the top of our B wave, and this is the bottom of our C wave. And when we will break the top of this wave, it will indicate that the retracement officially finished, and we established on a greater scale a higher high price action. And definitely it is a very good sign. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!